The rolling Kansas landscape, South Wea Creek Retreat offers approximately 316 acres with a blend of opportunity and recreational potential. This property combines agricultural income with hunting opportunities, all conveniently located near city amenities. This property is well connected. Lewisburg is just a mile away, a charming small town with local conveniences. For access to urban areas, downtown Kansas City is 37 miles distant, and Kansas City International Airport is 52 miles away, providing easy travel. The picturesque South Wea Creek meanders through the property from west to east, enhancing its aesthetic appeal and providing wildlife habitat. A notable feature is a newly built 27-foot deep lake prepared for stocking and offering potential for future fishing. The property is ideal for hunting with land managed for wildlife. Trophy white-tailed deer can be found in the mature hardwoods, along with turkey and other game, while South Wea Creek provides water and cover for game. The diverse terrain, including timber and open fields, offers various hunting positions. In addition to recreation, the land is agriculturally productive. Fertile, tillable ground, robust pasture, and active CRP contracts provide consistent income. This is a working farm that supports both agricultural activities and a quality lifestyle. A potential home site is available, offering panoramic views and located less than a quarter mile from a paved road. This provides an opportunity to build a private residence. South Wea Creek Retreat is a property with significant potential and various opportunities. For a private qualified showing, please contact Penny or Shad Sheldon today.